Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will design the table to save the record of individual tutorial in database. In the previous video tutorial, we have successfully integrated and read the code of summer node, and now it's time to save that code in database. And for that, we need the specific fields and attribute in database to save that record. So let's create on table, click on new, and now what we will do, we will create the ID. For that we will say TID, mean tutorial ID, and it should be type of int. And then we have description, and description should be long and undetectable, and we cannot be sure what will be the description size. And before that we have title. So title should be nvchar and its size should be approx 100 characters. And now there is description, so it should be nvarchar 100. Now there will be content, and content is undetectable and we are not sure what will be the size, so it should be text, and here we have text. Okay, now the point is that all the fields are compulsory, either title, either content, both need to be compulsory and inserted from the front end. This checkbox mean if they have empty value then can be inserted in database. So no, we are not able to insert that in database if they are empty. So we will say that not null, not null, and not null. Right after that we have our simple logic, which is that id the title should be unique. So it is not possible that same title have two different content or context. Like if we are talking about HTML introduction, then it's not possible to insert another tutorial having title HTML introduction. So we need to make that title unique. So first of all, let's create this primary key and increment and pass increment. So in the here identity, yes, it's primary key and increment is set it. Now in the title we have to set constraints. Okay, binding length, you can even set constraint from here. Okay, what we need to do, we can do that manually. Now copy this code, click on new query, and it will give us a space where we can execute SQL query. Okay, and here you will observe we have not null. So right after this I will say it should be unique. Okay, so it's become unique automatically. And now we need to set the table name, so it should be tutorial post, and now execute, refresh the table, Here is the tutorial post. Here is the column, and we will go to the properties. Okay, so it's fine. Now what we will do, we will insert some data to check that either it is unique or not. Insert into tutorial project, and tutorial project, and here we have title or content. Now insert values A, comma B, and now execute. So one row is effective. Now again execute. So it's give us the error that the value should be unique. So we have done now, and keep connected with the engineering projects, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye bye.